Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock your Moto Edge 60 Pro and make sure Wi-Fi or LTE is connected. Battery above 20% prevents interruptions. Open the Circle app or tap the Circle widget. Grant microphone and location permissions when prompted so searching works reliably. Sign in with your account or create one quickly, then confirm the phone appears under Devices. Once done, you're ready to initiate a Circle search. This foundation ensures the app can listen, locate, and return results accurately. You now begin the active search. Tap Search and choose Circle mode to constrain results to a geographic ring. Set the radius precisely, for example 100 m for nearby options or 1 km for broader coverage, because smaller radii reduce noise. Use the voice command or type your query. Say clear keywords like coffee or EV charger so Circle filters results faster. Once done, refine by changing radius or adding filters. This targeted approach speeds retrieval and improves relevance for the specific area you care about. You finish by reviewing the map pins and list view. Tap any result to open full details and options like directions, call, or save. Make sure to test a direction hit to confirm location accuracy. If places look off, adjust the radius or switch between map and list views for clarity. If Circle returns no results, check microphone and location permissions, ensure network connectivity, and update or restart the app. These quick checks resolve most failures, so your next search succeeds immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.